Hello friends and hello fellow jewelry lovers. Welcome to a really exciting jewelry haul. So guys, these items I picked up at local garage sales. Believe it or not, it is first Monday weekend here in, near Canton, Texas. I'm about 15 minutes away, and a lot of people are having garage sales, and a lot of people had amazing pieces of jewelry. I'm going to go ahead and start over here. Now, some of this I have researched and some I haven't. This is some sort of pink quartz. I don't believe it to be rose quartz, but it is beautiful. Look at the pendant. It is faceted. It is absolutely lovely. It is on a toggle chain, as you can see here. Just beautiful. Then this is definitely a vintage piece. So these are real pearls, coral, and maybe turquoise. I have not tried to figure out what this stone is, but these are all natural on this beautiful, beautiful chain. Absolutely amazing pickup there. Okay, while we're on the natural stones, let's look at this gorgeous carnelian necklace. So this is all carnelian. Carnelian is getting more popular. If you didn't already know that, I guess you could say it's trendy right now, along with brooches. But I think this is beautiful. You've got these gold or brass colored beads in between, just amazing. Then there is this beautiful glass necklace. Let me show you the closure here. Look at that. This is amazing. So you've got all sorts of pinks and like a little bit of lavender in there. It's beautiful. This is very vintage and very, very cool. Then I got this. Now, I'm not sure if this is turquoise or howlite. I'm just going to lean towards howlite. I just need to cut some strings off there. There's nothing wrong with this at all. But it's on this really cool, like string corded chain. And it has this brass pendant, which I think is absolutely incredible. It's a longer necklace, and look how it drops. It is so cool. Then this one is all natural stones as well. Not quite sure if these are dyed howlite. It looks like they could be. Could have some carnelian and some sort of agate in there as well. This one is really, really cool. And it's kind of the same design. It's like on this string. Handmade, just beautiful. Then I got these earrings that match it. I think these are beautiful as well. Over here, this is just a little vintage necklace, but I just thought it was so pretty. Oh, excuse me. I've got to change the tablecloth I have set up here. So this, I just thought this was really, really pretty. I don't think it was marked. If it was, I don't remember. But it's just on this gold tone chain. I just thought this was very feminine and very cool. I love the design of that pendant. Now this is really interesting. So you have this mandala there, and then you have all of these natural stones. And I did test this. This is not sterling, but you've got amethyst and lapis and just all sorts of fun stones here. I thought that was really, really cool. For those of you that don't know, I am super into boho. Then back here, I got let me zoom out for a second. Two anklets that I thought were really pretty. So a couple people have asked for anklets recently. And one of them is sterling silver with these hearts, and the other is like this multi-layered chain anklet. It's really pretty. They both look to be brand new. Then I picked up these stud earrings because I thought they were amazing. These are glass rhinestones. They're faceted, and they're fantastic. Perfect for a night out, New Year's, whatever you want. This is amazing too. So this is vintage. This is from Morocco, and it has the hand of Fatima on here. But look, it says souvenir of Morocco in French. But is this not incredible? These are just, I think they're acrylic. They feel like acrylic. But this is an amazing vintage piece. I think it's fantastic. Here here we have this beautiful AB check brooch. It is a dome brooch. Ooh, look at all of the rhinestones in it. Absolutely gorgeous, very well made, in great condition. Beautiful. This is a vintage belt buckle. I think it's from the 70s. It's really cool. It's got numbering on there. I can't resist a good owl. He's amazing. Look at him. He's so cool. Okay, then back here I got these two screw back earrings. So these are gold filled, and these are Austrian crystal with a pearl there in the center. They're this beautiful floral design, and on the back it does say gold filled in Austria. Those are stunning. Okay, we're getting some of my favorites, y'all. I have never found a Boucher in the wild, and here's my first one. If you aren't already aware, Boucher is a wonderful jewelry company. I think they started in the 40s. It was a French and American company, and this is absolutely amazing. I did look this up. I saw one for sale for $235 on eBay. I didn't look at sold comps yet, but you've got this tulip, and look at this little Dutch shoe, at least I think it is. This is absolutely incredible. There is the marking there on the back, so you can be on the lookout for that. Amazing. If you ever find it, get it. Okay, speaking of which, back here is a beautiful Matisse necklace. Look at this. So Matisse was a mid-century copper jewelry maker, and a lot of their pieces can go for a lot. So this is enamel over copper, and this one is in amazing condition as well. Just to die for, if you ask me. I love it. I do collect copper jewelry. I don't have this in my collection, so we'll see. You can always email me if you see something you're interested in. I'm happy to give you a price, and you are welcome to buy off of my videos. Check out this hair clip. So this is vintage. This is, the only marking on it was made in Taiwan. There it is right there. First of all, it's a big hair clip, but look at this grape cluster. So these are like they're velvety. The black grapes there, and then you have the faux pearl. This is fantastic. I love this. I'm assuming 80s based on the size. Could be 70s maybe, I don't know, but it's absolutely incredible. Speaking of incredible, I picked up this old brooch. I think that might be real stone as well as a real pearl. This one has no marking on it whatsoever. As you can see, it's got a little bit of fading to it. I have not tried to clean any of these up yet, so I think I will try to see if I can get that to shine a little bit better. But is that not amazing? I love the carved rose there. This one is the brand 1928, and this is a Victorian style brooch. It's beautiful. I love 1928. I know a lot of you do as well. Looks like I had it upside down. Here's the back. Their trademark scroll work. Beautiful piece. I love that so much. Then I've got a couple of sterling pieces that I got a fantastic deal on. This is a dogwood brooch. Look at the beautiful etching on this brooch, and I love the patina on it. Oh, I just love it. Here is the back of it. It is marked sterling there at the bottom. Looks like there is a maker's mark there. I haven't looked it up. This is amazing. It is so beautiful. And this, oh gosh, guys. So this is sterling, marcasite, and garnet. And, you know, it's an Art Deco style brooch. You've got the faceted garnet there in the center. It is beautiful. Here is the back of it. I can't remember if this one is marked or not, but I did test this one, which is one reason why my nails are just a total disaster right now. But these items will be in my jewelry sale on Monday, September 30th at 7 Eastern, 6 Central. Just so you know. Is that not beautiful, guys? I love it. Okay, the last piece I want to show you is probably the most important, the most special, even though it's hard to beat the Boucher. This is historical and I love it. Again, sorry about the dirt on my tablecloth there. So this is a sweetheart pin. It's a World War II pin. As you can see here, it says Ruth. This is celluloid. The plain is celluloid. It's in wonderful condition. So I've seen these before without the name, without this here, or with damage to the plain. This has none of that damage whatsoever. It is so cool. Now this will probably be an item I put on eBay, but if you're interested, definitely send me an email. I will always give you guys a much cheaper price than anything I put on eBay. That goes for the Boucher too. Let me just show you the back of this. Look at the age. It is amazing. I love this. I think it is so cool. And Ruth was an amazing sweetheart, I am sure. There's the eagle. Is that not the coolest? So guys, let me know what your favorite item was out of this video. Dogs are coming in. They say hi. And again, be on the lookout for my Monday jewelry sale. Oh, I didn't show you guys this. So this is an amazing Lucite bracelet. Hang on for the glow. Okay, here we go. Look at this. It glows so much. This is a really cool stretch bracelet. Let me see if I can get it to show a little bit more. I just love it. I just love it. By the way, guys, that was sunshine. They just came in and they're getting their water. But anyway, beautiful, beautiful bracelet. So again, let me know what your favorite item is. These items will be available. You know what? They may also be available on my Sunday sale. So if you reach out to me for a certain item and it's already sold, it could be that it's sold on my Sunday sale. I hate doing that to you guys, but I'm a little bit backlogged on making these videos. So anyway, I apologize. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend. You guys are amazing. Don't forget that. Bye.